Hi, welcome to Vitality and Happiness. Today's topic is indigestion and acid reflux, something I experienced for many years. 10 major causes of indigestion, acid reflux. 1. Unnatural, unhealthy foods. Eating processed and unnatural foods is one of the main causes of digestive problems. This kind of food can adversely impact our digestion and both short and long-term health. The negative effects may be felt more quickly if your digestive system is sensitive. Therefore, indigestion is essentially your body's way of letting you know that you are eating the wrong foods. We are designed to eat natural, organic foods that provide us with the energy and vitality we require to function properly. Preservatives and unhealthy oils and processed foods are difficult to digest and cause discomfort and harm to the organs. Unhealthy food causes indigestion and introduces toxins into the body, both of which can lead to vitamin deficiencies in the long run. A sensitive digestive system has difficulty digestion and assimilating unnatural foods that contain a high concentration of additives and preservatives. Let's talk about the second reason, wrong proportion. What you eat and how much you eat in one meal is important, but the wrong combination can put extra strain on your stomach. In my health and digestion philosophy, I believe that everyone is unique. Everyone has a different body type. So, in order to live a healthy and happy life, get to know your body well. Overeating protein and fat that your body cannot handle can result in indigestion and gas, which causes discomfort and toxin buildup in the colon. Don't overeat, and always try to include vegetables and fruits in your meals for better digestion and a nutritional boost. 3. Wrong time. Eating at the wrong time of the day can also cause stomach discomfort. Many people who suffer from acid reflux eat late before bed. Your digestive system is less active at night and prefers to sleep rather than work. As a result, when you eat and sleep, your digestive system is unable to function properly, which may result in indigestion, acid reflux, heartburn, bloating, and other digestive issues. This may cause you to feel nauseous when you wake up in the morning. It is also not a good idea to eat as soon as you wake up, especially if you have low stomach acid. Always wait at least half an hour or an hour before eating breakfast, and remember to drink plenty of water every day. Eating when you have stress. You may have noticed that when you're stressed or angry, your digestion does not function properly. You may not digest your food properly, which may cause additional stress in your gut. Eating under stress on a regular basis may set off a vicious cycle that is harmful to your health. So first try to reduce and eliminate any stress and then eat your meal. Meditation and deep breathing exercises before a meal can be beneficial. The fifth reason is high amount of fat or oily foods. Eating fried or oily meals high in fat can put a strain on your digestive system. After eating oily or greasy foods, many people experience gas and bloating. So keep an eye on your dietary fat intake. Any food cooked in a high amount of oil is more difficult to digest, especially if the oil is of poor quality. Instead of cooking with too much oil, opt for steamed or baked foods. In my experience and experiments, I would recommend determining how much fat your body can digest and handle at once. Too much protein in one meal. Protein is vital for numerous bodily functions as well as overall health. Nevertheless, too much protein in one meal can cause indigestion, especially in those with sensitive stomachs. To avoid gas and acid reflux, get to know your body and watch your protein intake. Furthermore, combining too much protein with fat may worsen the problem. So it is a good idea to limit your meat consumption and try to eat smaller meals to see how that works for you. 7. Lack of water and fiber. Constipation and stomach discomfort can be caused by not drinking enough water daily, as well as not eating enough fiber for your body and weight. Indigestion can result from not having adequate bowel movements regularly. Feeling bloated and unwell is often caused by your colon and bowel system not working efficiently. In the long run, this may result in not only indigestion problems, but also other health problems. Number 8. Not enough chewing. People with digestive issues, in my experience, do not chew their food thoroughly. When larger food particles enter your stomach, your body has to work much harder to break them down. So some of the food ends up in your intestines undigested. It can cause significant digestive issues and have an impact on your energy levels. One of the most common causes of bloating, indigestion, gas, and other digestive problems is lack of chewing. Too much sugar with meals. Sugar is a toxic substance. The body cannot handle a large amount of sugar at once. So eating too much sugar causes indigestion and acid reflux. Remove table sugar from your diet and replace it with natural sweeteners such as pure honey, stevia, molasses, or dates in moderation. Lack of stomach acid. Your body may not produce enough stomach acid due to your body type, overall vitality, diet, and lifestyle. Stomach acid is required for proper food digestion. Protein and fat cannot be broken down properly if there is insufficient stomach acid. Undigested food causes gas and discomfort in the stomach, as well as the accumulation of toxins and bacteria in the body. Some people have enough stomach acid naturally, while others do not, especially if their diet and lifestyle are not optimal. The longer you have indigestion, the more stomach acid your body may lose, creating a vicious cycle and putting you in a lose-lose situation that may affect your vitality and health. To increase stomach acid, we should eat healthy foods, reduce stress, and get enough sleep. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.